Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine. Guys, in this collection you see the happy Easter wreath designs and the Easter home decoration ideas. Simple way to celebrate the each and every festival. I provide you simple ideas, creative ideas and unique ideas. It's a chance for the beginners to enhance your abilities related to the crafting ideas. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best channel, is one of the best ideas that delivered to you related to the festivals of Christmas, Easter and beautiful cake decoration ideas. So guys, if you like my channel and if you love my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Easter egg decoration ideas, Easter egg wreath designs, centerpieces ideas, candle holder decoration ideas, and beautiful celebration, beautiful and amazing colors and shades, not the repeated designs, not the old designs. All are so stunning, so adorable.